I'm just waking up out here in the desert. It is 4:45 in the morning right now. I'm getting up nice and early so I can drive into the national park and go watch a sunrise. I have to drive about an hour to where I want to go, so yeah, I gotta get up and get moving. Alright, I just got my tent packed up there. I slept on that foam mattress thingy in the tent, and everything's a mess. I just threw it in there. The bugs are attracted to the light, so I tried to just get it thrown in quickly, and I'll organize all that stuff later. Made it out here to the Cactus Garden. There are a few other people out here to watch sunrise, but it's just getting started back there. I'm gonna hike out in the garden a little bit and hopefully find a good spot to watch it from. Headed out on my first little trail. I don't think it's really that long at all, but it's the Arch Rock Trail, which is, I guess, like a super popular, you know, photography spot here. It's just, yeah, it's a cool looking rock you can climb up on, and I mean, there's cool rock formations all over this place. Well, my first camera battery is already dead, so I'm just on my phone right now. I didn't bring any extra batteries with me because this is a really short hike, so didn't feel the need to bring my backpack, but of course my battery died. So anyways, I'm leaving Arch Rock now. That was pretty cool. Climbed up on it, got some pictures. Yeah, I love this area. All these rocks are super cool, and they're all like super abrasive, so it's really easy to climb on them. Yeah, super grippy. But yeah, it's an awesome area for sure. Definitely worth coming out here, and it's like only, I don't know, 10 minutes to hike out to it. I've only been out here for a couple hours this morning, you know, went to sunrise in that Cactus Garden area and then just hiked out to Arch Rock, but so far I'm really enjoying this. I mean, I've been to desert areas before, but never really spent that much time exploring hiking and stuff, so I'm really enjoying it since, you know, I'm from Juneau, which rains all the time there. Very stark difference from here, so yeah, just seeing how different it is, I'm really liking it.